So I want you to come a little close to me because I want to tell you something, and it's very important. Very, very important. You can make money on YouTube and you don't need hundreds of thousands of subscribers to do it. You can have a small subscriber list and you can still make good money. Hey guys, it's your girl Brianna Queen. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So today we are continuing the YouTube series where I share tips I've learned along the way as a YouTuber or as a video consultant. So in today's video, I am sharing, this is the one that's like really dear to me. In today's video, I am sharing ways to make money as a YouTuber. Because listen to me, YouTube is profitable. But if you want your YouTube channel to be profitable, you have to have a money strategy.
This ain't my business, but it's money.
I'm going to be sharing some ways I make money as a YouTuber, as well as ways I've leveraged YouTube to increase my business revenue. Wait a minute. If you have not downloaded my YouTube checklist, the ultimate checklist to a banging YouTube channel, go ahead and download that checklist. I will link it down below in the comments. And let's go ahead and let's get back to the regularly scheduled program. So you do not have to be approved for YouTube Adsense to make money. Now YouTube Adsense is when you have ads at the very beginning, the middle, as well as the end of the video. You'll see those ads play. YouTubers do get paid for those ads for like every 1,000 views. In order to be approved for YouTube Adsense, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and a certain amount of watch time. So you do not have to be approved for YouTube ads to actually make money with YouTube. I make decent money with the YouTube ad revenue. I'm not swimming in money with the YouTube ads. I actually make money different ways of leveraging YouTube. So the first way you can make money with YouTube, and it doesn't matter if you have 1 subscriber or 1,000, is with affiliate marketing. I love affiliate marketing. It doesn't matter how big or small your YouTube list is. Anyone can start with affiliate marketing. Basically, what affiliate marketing is, recommend a product or a service. And when someone buys that product or service, you get a percentage of that sale. So if I tell you this water bottle and then I provide a link down below and you click that link and you buy this water bottle, I will get a percentage of that. So let's say I'll get 10% of the sale of this water bottle, and the water bottle is $100, and then you buy it, I will get $10 back. So that is how affiliate marketing works. You get a percentage of whatever somebody buys. It does not matter what your YouTube channel is about. Generally, you can find some ways to kind of add affiliate marketing into your videos. So for example, with me, I am a beauty YouTuber. So when I'm doing my beauty videos and I link all the products down below in the description bar, if you buy any of those products, I can make a percentage of that sale back. Now, all of my links are not affiliate links because sometimes I can't find the affiliate link for it, but it is such a great way to make money. I had a video, my bathroom video, and this video, I made over $5,000 in affiliate links from that video. Now, as you can see, that video has a lot of views, but from that video, I was able to make a lot of money in affiliate marketing because people were actually buying the paint, they were buying the shower door, they were buying the cabinets, they were buying everything in that video, so I made a percentage of that. If you're a beauty YouTuber, you can link those beauty products. If you're a health YouTuber, you do like fitness, you can link like the resistant bands that you're using, the outfit that you're wearing. Some of my favorite affiliates are Reward Style, Amazon Associates, Walmart has one, Target has one, and then you can also do service as well. eBay has an affiliate program where you get $25 for every single account that has been created. Ibotta has one, Dosh has one. So there are so many different affiliate programs that you can leverage for your YouTube channel to make money. Another way you can make money, and this is how I've made majority of my money, is offering services. So if you are a YouTuber and you focus on fitness, you can offer digital coaching, you can offer personal training. When you leverage your YouTube channel to sell your services, you can truly create like a revenue generating machine because people will watch your videos and you can say, book me for a consultation or book me for coaching. Like, you really can leverage your services to make money with YouTube. And a great thing about YouTube now is YouTube, you can actually geotag your videos. So if you are a plumber and you live in Tampa, Florida, shout out to Tampa. If you are a plumber in Tampa, Florida, you can have a video on how to unclog a drain. And then at the end of the video, you can say, if you need a plumber to do more, here's my website, here's my phone number. And then on that video, you can actually geotag your location. So when somebody looks up plumber on Google or YouTube for that matter, your video will actually appear higher because you're in the same location as them. You're in a close proximity. So you can really leverage your services. Even if you do digital, like you're a digital coach, consultant, you can leverage YouTube for your services, and it's extremely profitable. You can have $10,000 months just leveraging your services with your channel, and you do not need a lot of subscribers to sell your service. If you charge $5,000 for your coaching programs, you only need 2 people to sign up that month for you to hit a $10,000 that month. So you do not need a lot of subscribers when you are trying to sell your services, and it can be so profitable. For example, I had clients who wanted to get on YouTube, and I was like, listen, I have a YouTube channel. Here it is right here. Even though my channel was beauty and decor, the fact that I had a channel that I actually grew organically, it gave me more leverage. So when I was doing these consultations and they saw these videos, they said, okay, well, she knows how to do YouTube. So you can definitely use YouTube to sell your services. Another way you can use YouTube is with digital products, books, courses, planners, all of those things. You can definitely sell digital products via your YouTube channel. You guys know a few years ago I came out with a beauty book called Just Face It. That book was #1 in new releases for a day. How is that? Because you guys bought the book. So if you have a book or you have a course, you can definitely sell that on your YouTube channel. You can have a video on how to do your makeup, and at the end of the video saying if you want to know more in depth on how to apply your foundation, check out my book Just Face It on Amazon, and then link it that way. And the great thing about books and digital products is those things can sell years from now. I wrote this book in 2015 called Just Face It, and I still get book sales from this book that I wrote 5 years ago. So it's basically like a passive income stream at this point, because I've already wrote the book, already have the videos talking about the book. People still reference those videos where I talk about the book, and they buy the book, and it's a source of passive income. And passive income is great because you make money while you sleep, you make money while you do other things, and it doesn't really require your presence to make the money. Here's an example how you can leverage a digital product for YouTube. You can create a YouTube video, and the YouTube video is 6 ways to be productive this year. Then at the end of the video, you can say the best way I've been productive this year is by having a planner. And then you can market your planner. Say I have a planner, and then talk a little bit about that planner, and then link that planner so people can buy it. You can sell that planner on Etsy, Gumroad, Amazon. You can make money selling digital products like books, like planners, like templates. I have a course all about YouTube, and I leveraged that course with my YouTube channel. And I had a beauty book, and I leveraged that beauty book with my YouTube channel. So I definitely say if you are a new beginner YouTuber, think about offering a service or a digital product that you can leverage with your YouTube channel. Another way I've made money from YouTube is with actual products. In 2015 and 2018, I had a cosmetics line. It did really well. The only reason why I actually closed down the business was because my consultancy was like skyrocketing, and I really couldn't focus on cosmetics line plus doing consulting. I was a beauty YouTuber. I'm still a beauty YouTuber, and I sold beauty products. So if you watch my older videos, you'll see where I'll do a makeup video, and then I'll finish off with my lipstick, and then people would buy that lipstick from watching that video. So you could sell lipsticks, soaps. You can even do stuff like Printify or Printful, where you actually make your own t-shirts. And the great thing about like print on demand, such as Printful and Printify, is you go on the website, you design the t-shirt, and then you're given a link. So you give your audience that link, and they click that link, and that company, which is Printify or Printful or whoever you choose, they will actually make that t-shirt and ship it. So they get a percentage of that sale because they're shipping it and they're making the shirt. But you don't spend any money. You don't have to buy any t-shirts. You don't have to get anything mass produced. And you can literally do a YouTube video of you wearing a really funny, cute t-shirt, and then saying if you like this shirt, click the link in my description bar, and they can buy that t-shirt that way. And you can leverage YouTube to make money with a physical product. Another way I make money with YouTube is with speaking engagements.
If you can't delegate, can you automate or eliminate?
A new entrepreneur, I say just focus on solving one problem. If you can help one person with one problem, you can help a lot of people with that same problem.
Last year I had 2 sold out events called Business, Branding, and Brunch, where people came to the event and I taught them how to market online. Both events sold out. The reason why both events sold out was because my audience from YouTube bought tickets. If you're not big on events, You can do speaking events. I have had speaking engagements where I was a speaker at the event, such as Work, Pray, Slay.
I did 3 videos of me smacking my lips with my lip gloss, talking about African black soap, and then I was done. I was like, okay, I got these videos out, help my client.
So you can make money as a speaker, hosting events, and you can even do virtual events. So sometimes I do virtual makeup parties as a beauty YouTuber. I could charge for virtual makeup parties and make money that way. My makeup parties are free, but if I chose to charge, I could actually charge and I could make money that way. So you could have virtual events, you could have physical events, you could be a speaker at events, so you can leverage your actual presence to make money as well from YouTube. Another way you can make money with YouTube is through sponsorships, where brands will sponsor you and they will pay you to create a video using their product or their service. So you do not need a large audience to work with brands. I think that's something people assume you have to have. That's not true, because a lot of times some brands will use your videos for marketing purposes only. They don't care about your audience. So don't think just because you have a very small audience that you can't make money with YouTube working with brands. That is not true. Do not think you need 50,000 YouTube subscribers to work with brands. And I actually do sell a mini course called Work with Brands, Influencer with Income. So I will link that down below as well, as far as like really working with brands. But that is another way that you can make money. You can definitely land 4 and 5 figure sponsorships. Like, it is real, it happens. I have been able to hit 4 and 5 figure sponsorships working with brands. So that's another way you can make money with YouTube. So those are some ways you can make money, and it doesn't matter what kind of YouTube channel you have, you can probably use 1 or 2 of these ways to make money. I do have a program, digital product, and it's all about how to start a profitable YouTube channel geared towards smaller YouTubers who want to make money outside of just ads. Because I think a lot of times people assume if you want to make money with YouTube, you can only make it with ads, and you really have to have a monetization strategy to really start bringing in revenue with YouTube despite your audience size. So if you're interested in that program, then I will link down below more about that program. So I hope you guys enjoyed this series all about YouTube tips. If you have any questions, comment them down below, and maybe I'll do another video answering your question. You think about it. So I'll link some more videos right here, or down below, somewhere on the screen, and I'll talk to you guys in my very next video. Bye.